What if I told you could build a serious amount of muscle, get insanely strong, stay lean, and all without stepping foot in the gym? That means no machines, no dumbbells, just you and the gravity. At first this does not sound realistic, but this is what you call calisthenics. And this might be one of the smartest ways to train for your body. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you why calisthenics is going to be the best upgrade that you knew you needed within your life, because it's going to transform your life completely. Functional strength. Weightlifting will make you strong in one direction, but calisthenics will make you strong everywhere. A bench press might help you push heavy, but a dip can make you push sustainability and engage your upper body in just one move. This means no machine is needed or doing the work for you. You're building a real world strength that transfers on how you move throughout the day, not just how you look. Ab training. In calisthenics, your abs are never off, they're actually always being used. If you're doing a push-up, your core is activated, but comparing that to a tricep push-down on a cable machine, it's just your triceps mainly that is going to be activated. So really the main difference here is that is a lot more muscle is activated when you're doing calisthenics that need balance and also mobility and strength. A better comparison is going to be a pull-up. Can be quite a difficult exercise if you have not done it before, but if you want to find something easier, doing a lat pull down for comparison, so you can progressive overload and get stronger within your back, so then you can do your first pull-up and then another one, and then you start adding weight and then you're making a lot more progress. And this is why you just don't need to train abs with calisthenics, because you just earn them through doing the movement, the tension and total body control. You're not training abs directly, but for you doing calisthenics, the stabilization is needed for your body. Mobility and flexibility. A lot of lifters are like robots. They have tight hips, locked shoulders and a lot of bad posture. Calisthenics will just fix that instantly. Some exercise that we've mentioned already, that is going to be pull-ups, dips, push-ups, even squats. Although these things seem quite easy as I list them off, it actually can get really hard in the future, like doing some planches or even L-sits can actually increase your flexibility and mobility going into these movements. But the most importantly, over time you're going to increase insane body strength. And this takes us into our next topic, burning fat and building muscle. A lot of the time this can be highly intensive movements like jumping, squats, even some different variation of push-ups, even explosive dips that can help you gain insane amount of muscle if you have not done them before, and also lose some fat at the same time. Now this will only work if you're in a calorie deficit, and mainly if you're able to build muscle and get rid of that fat at the same time. It means that you haven't gone to the gym before or had a long time away from the gym, and this is going to be a great start for you to do a body recomposition. You can do all of this by doing the exercise that you love with doing calisthenics, and no treadmill or cardio is really needed. And this takes us into the next topic, no equipment. And this is where most people actually fail. They tap out before they even get started because they do not have a gym. This is actually a great thing, because with calisthenics it doesn't matter where you train, who you train, whatever it trains, you can still do it wherever you are. That could be on the floor, in a park, your doorway, could be in the bathroom doing dips on the bath. Pretty much your body is the gym. If you're not training it, it's not the equipment, it's just the excuse of you not wanting to train. And this takes us into the next topic, where people think it's going to be too easy. I think it's just for beginners because some person can only do a few push-ups, or they can do 50 push-ups in a row and it's too easy. Then try it from a different angle, maybe a one-arm push-up, maybe a planche or something like that. Make it harder. You can easily start with incline push-ups, not even able to do a push-up properly, going to a full rep push-up, and then you're starting to balance out with handstands, and now you can actually do a handstand push-up. Obviously with me speaking about it now, that progression is insanely fast, but of course this can be done within a few months or maybe a couple years. The difficulty will grow as you grow, and you can do all of this without ever needing a weight. You don't even need to add plates, you just need to level up your body and get better with these movements and just try and make it harder. So really you don't need a gym to look strong or feel strong or be strong. Just be consistent, stay smart by progressing with your own body. And the main thing, be consistent, be smart with your progress. And maybe this is the video where you stop lifting weights and try and master calisthenics. And that is going to be everything within this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.